Hey folks, blind mechanic coming to you today talking about cowl screens. Making this video because years ago when I tried replacing the cowl screen, no one manufactured them, but it goes right here at the base of your window. Can't see it unless the hood's popped. Hopefully I'm getting a decent shot of it. It runs fender to fender on this 79 here. Part number 0850-111, and that's on Summit's website. Cost me like $24-25. Of course I had to pay shipping and handling because I didn't have over a $99 purchase or whatever. But it keeps leaves, if you don't know, it keeps leaves and sticks and any other kind of debris from getting down in your cowl area, and then your blower motor mulches it up and shoots it on your feet or on your window. Once again, that's Summit part number 0850-111, and it just pops into place. Like I say, blind mechanic, don't have the best video skills. Hope I've got you a decent idea of what it is and what it does though, and where it's at. Thanks guys.